Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit a video and add background music in TikTok. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already had an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the TikTok apps on your screen, where you can see the upload option at top right corner. Just tap over there or click on it and you will be redirected with the TikTok Studio page. So to edit, you need to upload a video first. So let's click on select video. So yeah, once you upload it, you need to scroll a little bit down and you'll be able to see the edit video option. So we simply need to click on that button, and now finally we can edit your video from here. And also we can add background music from here. You simply need to click on use button and we'll be able to use it successfully. So basically this is how you can edit video and add background music on TikTok PC. And if you still encounter a issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give your thumbs up, and if you are new with this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to on so that we can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.